Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to perform a hard reset on your LG Smart TV without using the screen. So first of all, you need to start with the simplest hard reset method. In it, you just have to do nothing but to just simply unplug your LG TV completely from the power. Afterwards, you just have to simply press and hold the power button on the TV for about 30 seconds to discharge the leftover power from the internet circuit. After waiting for about 1 minute further, you just have to simply plug the TV back in and try turning it on again. Now, if the standby light is still active, you can also try forcing a restart using the remote. So in order to do it on your LG remote, you just have to simply press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. And on many LG smart TVs, this forces the system to reboot internally even if the screen stays black. Afterwards, sometimes the TV itself is fine, but the connected devices freezes the startup process. So in this case, you just have to simply disconnect all of the HDMI devices, streaming sticks, sound bars, and the USB drives. Afterwards, some of the LG TVs can enter into the recovery style reset after the full power cycle. So with the TV unplugged, you just have to simply hold both the power button on the TV and the power button on the remote for several seconds before reconnecting power. One on the certain models, this particular thing can also trigger a deeper startup reset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.